no problem.
Threatening, frightening, stabbing, shaving, or manicuring yourself or another person are likewise considered outside the scope of acceptable use.
Oh, okay, I guess.
The product is not balanced for throwing. Throwing the product violates these terms and will invalidate the warranty. Whittling, scrimshaw, mumbledy-peg, juggling, and any tricks involving stacking or balancing the product may cause serious injury and should not be attempted by unlicensed persons.
Uh-huh.
Use with breads, spreads, bedspreads, or thread may damage the product. If damaged, the product should not be used. Product is sharp and should not be carried in a pocket, coat, belt, hatband, handbag, shoulder holster, or sheath. At all times, keep the product away from children, pets, the aged or infirm, clowns, pirates, and adults. Where possible, it should be locked securely in a vault. The manufacturer accepts no responsibility for the consequences of any use or misuse of this product. By verbally assenting to these terms, purchaser hereby assumes all liability, past, present, and future, throughout this and all possible and impossible universes.
Oh, is this where I say yes?
Yes.
Yes. Is there anything I am allowed to do with it?
I am not able to answer that question, as it could create a liability issue.
Oh Mann, ey. Naja, egal, ich hab's.
What's cooking?
The feast of knowledge.
Schmeckt das?
This
Bekleidungen.
is a neat symbol. What does it mean?
That used to contain magical disguises. But alas, they have all gone.
Yeah, it's too bad you're sold out. A magic disguise seems really useful.
There's always the famous eye patch of John Laney at the museum. I'm sure the magic has worn off by now, but I believe I could restore its abilities. All my merchandise is top shelf.
Can't you at least wait until I say what I'm thinking? It's creepy.
Ich denke, das war's.
The voodoo lady said it was a forgiveness frog. It's my very own, very sharp, non-magical ceremonial knife. It's hopeless. I've got enough to last me.
Sie muss ich aufpassen, dass ich nicht drauf drücke. Ich glaube, ich krieg dann sofort nämlich einen Tipp. Das wollen wir erstmal nicht.
I'll take this disgusting shrunken head.
That's my last one. Quite the bargain.
Okay, ich kann doch viele Sachen hier kaufen.
Someone's very excited I'm looking at this sign. I'd need a lot of keys to open that.
Das war's. Ich gucke lieber nochmal ein bisschen genauer. Nicht, dass ich irgendwas vergesse und nachher nochmal kommen muss. Sieht gut aus.
I've always been impressed by your chair.
Thank you.
So, das ist zu. Okay, Zwischenfrequenz.
LeChuck, sir. Just thought I'd pop in and let you know. Preparations to set sail are almost done.
You have all the supplies for the spell to get to Monkey Island?
Check. Squid ink, chickens, brimstone, cinnamon, monkey blood, mint, and an annoying skull.
Well done! Mark yourself down for one less lashing this voyage.
Funny story. Guybrush Threepwood tried to sign on to the crew.
Threepwood? He must be looking for the secret too. That guy steals all my best ideas. Have him killed! Wait! Let him live. I want him to see me sail off for Monkey Island knowing the secret is lost to him forever.
Sure. I want to bring this up one more time. Is searching for this mythical secret of Monkey Island a good idea? Shouldn't we be out terrorizing the high seas, instilling fear, creating mayhem, being more on brand for LeChuck?
I've had enough of you questioning my orders. Finish loading the ship, and whatever you do, don't let Threepwood on board.
Very well.
Ich werde trotzdem an Bord kommen, in einer guten Verkleidung und mit einem Mob. Be ready.
The note says, forced to close. Thanks for the memories, but cash would have been better.
Okay, die lag vorhin noch nicht hier, richtig? Gott, ich weiß es nicht. Okay, man kann also auch schlecht sein. The Flay. Boah, ich weiß es nicht mehr.
This is where I risked my neck for Elaine, and she showed me she only needed me to looks sort of like an eye.
Oder ich kann doch hier lang laufen. Ach, guck an.
Carla.
Guybrush Threepwood.
Hello, Swordmaster.
Prepare to taste my blade, you washed-up hack.
When was the last time you had a bath?
Ha! That was marginally clever.
It's nice to see you again.
You too.
Oh je, das ist wie früher. Jetzt muss man diese Wortabschläge machen, wie auch immer man es nennen mag. Wortgefechte. Du hättest nie aufgeben sollen, Schwertmeisterin zu sein. Wie geht es dir mit dem Gouverneurинnenamt? Ich hoffe, du bist nicht immer noch sauer wegen der Sache mit dem Schiff damals. Du hast es weit gebracht, seit ich dir den ersten bequemen Regierungsjob besorgt habe. Oh no, das ist ein normales Gespräch.
I hope you're not still sore about that thing with the ship that one time.
Ancient history.
Oh, good.
I can think of plenty of more recent things to hold against you.
Oh.
I heard from your wife. She's coming by to talk about scurvy legislation. I assume you're involved with that somehow?
Elaine can handle it. She doesn't need me.
I don't doubt that. But it isn't about what she does or doesn't need. If it isn't about the scurvy project, why are you here?
Yeah, we have unfinished business from the old days.
You're darn right we do. I'm still waiting for my book back.
Oh, that's not even something I remember, but okay. Well, the mansion hasn't changed much. Elaine's style is still everywhere. Even the books are hers.
They're my books now, as you well know.
I'm looking for the secret of Monkey Island.
Good for you. I don't have it.
Elaine says Captain Madison is hurting her scurvy project.
Not the legislative part, just the public funding. The town was in a bind a while back, and that so-and-so, Captain Madison, saw an opportunity. She lent us the cash we needed, but now we're up a creek paying the interest. Things like social programs, waste management, and town maintenance are all on the back burner.
I like that woman less every minute.
You and me both.
I don't really have anything to say. I just like doing this.
Practice is nice, but I'm busy these days. Governor stuff.
Darf ich mich jetzt hier umgucken? Sehe ich das richtig?
I like your stuffed, guess it's a dog?
Please, take that and throw it away. It was a gift from the Earl of Thickwater, who is a contemptible pig.
It's a lot of work being governor.
Eine Quizkarte. Vielleicht sollte ich der den geben?
Here.
You're giving me a frog?
It's a forgiveness frog, for when words aren't enough.
That is complete nonsense. And yet, I am going to forgive you for losing my book. I can't even explain why. I just have this sudden, inexplicable urge to forgive. You'd better not be up to something.
Just, don't lose the frog, okay?
No, I'll keep it with me always.
I don't really have anything to say. I just like doing this.
Ich dachte, jetzt kann ich
Practice
vielleicht
is
neue
nice,
Sachen
but
sagen.
I'm busy these days. Governor stuff.
Ob ich irgendwas kombinieren kann. So, was haben wir denn jetzt hier? Seite 5. Wie viele Fenster sind im Haus der Gouverneurin beleuchtet? Ich habe keine Ahnung. Lass mich gucken. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 oder 6. Also, meine Forschung. Okay,
I tried to read that once, but I couldn't finish it. Does not include Secret of Monkey Island. Oh. Can I borrow this book?
All right. I was upset after you lost the last one, but you seemed genuinely sorry, so I guess I'll give you another chance.
Thanks. I won't let you down. I'll definitely return this.
ich glaube nicht, dass wir das tun.
It's a cookbook. It has 4 stars, but it looks like they're for difficulty. Can I borrow this book?
One book at a time. I only trust you so far.
Oh, okay.
Note to the reader. No disguised secrets are revealed in this book. Thanks.
Thanks for returning my book. Maybe you have learned to be responsible.
Can I borrow this book?
Fine, fine.
It's stupid Captain Madison's book.
Stay out of my bedroom, Threepwood.
Okay.
Elaine told me that's Lauder Neckbeard, second governor of Melee Island. His overly strict morals and overly lax regulatory policies helped make the island what it is today. I've seen that same painting on a box of frozen instant cereal.
Okay, warte, was gibt's hier noch für Bücher? Die endlose Geschichte der Reise, die nicht enden wollte. Was? Voodoo-Tricks, die sie zu Hause machen können. Ich glaube, ich nehme das.
Thanks for returning my book.
Can I borrow this book?
Fine, fine.
Was ist das Lilane? Am Ende der Blanke. Warte mal, das ist das. Warte, lesen.
Warning. Do not try these tricks at home.
Okay, aber vielleicht ist das wirklich unten das Buch Ende der Blanke. Das habe ich doch auch bei dieser Locksmithin gefunden. War das nicht so?
Can I borrow this book?
Fine, fine.
Vielleicht kann ich damit irgendwas anfangen.
The blurb says it's a solid if somewhat predictable story about a roguish pirate and a doomed romance with a woman of station. Note to the reader. No disguised
Ich kann die alle
secrets
schon
are
hier
revealed in this
lesen.
book. I tried to read that once, but I couldn't finish it. Does not include Secret of Monkey Island. Oh. It's a cookbook. It has 4 stars, but it looks like they're for difficulty. It's thicker than I would have imagined. Warning, do not try these tricks at home.
Okay, vielleicht dann doch das Kochbuch für den Koch.
Can I borrow this cookbook?
Oh, aha, aha.
You cook like a cow.
That's why I need the cookbook.
Fine, fine.
Thanks. I won't let you down. I'll definitely return this.
Das scheint richtig gewesen zu sein, würde ich jetzt einfach mal behaupten, weil sah so aus. Flasche anstupsen.
I've always thought this looked like my old ship, the Sea Monkey. Ugh, looks like Carla wasn't too keen on getting her portrait done. Edgy.
Edgy. Okay. Gehen wir mal da lang. Aha. Die Werft. Bald. Wirklich?
Warning.
Okay.
The dark forest ahead is deadly and twisty. Maps are highly recommended.
Okay, dafür habe ich keine Karte.
Oh, I used to love these when I was 6. Museum of Pirate Lore. I used to love these when I was 6. Until I got trapped in one for 2 days. I think they're illegal now.
Hi there. Welcome to the Melee Island Museum of Pirate Lore. I'm Conrad, the curator and docent here. The museum showcases the largest collection of pirate memorabilia in the Caribbean. Or on Melee Island at the very least. The provenance of each item has been very carefully researched and fact-checked by myself and my team. Feel free to explore. And if you have any questions, just ask.
Alright, machen wir.
What was this cinder you got on the wall?
Oh, that. Yeah, that was an unsent love letter written by Elaine Marley while she was governor of the island.
What? Elaine?
The recipient was referred to only as Plunder Bunny.
That's me!
It was a really touching letter. Unfortunately, I put the candle too close to it.
What did it say? Tell me what she said.
Oh, you know, love letter stuff. Honestly, I don't remember a word of it, but it was touching.
Thanks a lot.
For nothing. Das kommt mir nicht bekannt
Tell me about
vor.
this hunk of wood.
That's an original plank from the Golden Hind, autographed by Francis Drake himself.
Actually, I think I'd rather not hear about that again.
Okay, okay.
That is a really big parrot. Wonder how many hands it's eaten. What do you feed it?
Thieves, mostly.
Good to know. It's a working parrot. I shouldn't bother it.
Okay, okay.
What's the story with the wanted poster?
That is the earliest known wanted poster for Captain Kate Capsize. You can tell how notorious she was by the huge number of crimes listed there. Very impressive. I got it from a collector on Fat Island.
Those are my own crimes, actually. I was pretty much public enemy #1 on Fat Island at the time. I stuck Kate's picture on there so she'd get thrown in jail.
That would never work. Nobody's that clueless in real life.
You don't believe me?
It's not a question of belief.
Never mind. It's not important. What can you tell me about this eye patch?
That's the pride of the collection. It belonged to Captain John Laney, the pirate of 1,000 faces. Supposedly, it had voodoo powers that would disguise him. I tried it on though, and nothing happened.
Ich
Eye
sollte
patch
vielleicht
worn
diese
by
Augenklappe
Captain John
bekommen.
Laney, the pirate of 1,000 faces. The display case is locked. There's some very tiny writing on it.
Ich brauche eine verdammte Lupe.
That map looks familiar.
That's 1/4 of the original map to the treasure of Big Whoop. I got it from the cartographer on Low Street. Apparently, he was somehow involved in the search for